3, 2, 1.
Who is the main character of Moby Dick? The answer is C. Ishmael. When Chunk gets locked in the freezer with the dead body in the film The Goonies, what else is in there with him? The answer is C. Ice cream. Which fashion designer is known for his power dressing style in the 80s? The answer is C. Donna Karan. What kind of lodging, traditionally constructed in the Northern Hemisphere, is sometimes called a snow house? The answer is C. Igloo. The Himalayas are located in which continent? The answer is B. Asia. Which philosopher believed in the concept of the will to power? The answer is B. Aristotle. Which treasure was discovered by Howard Carter in 1922? The answer is A. Tutankhamun's treasure. Who formulated the laws of thermodynamics? The answer is D. Rudolf Clausius. How many more times likely are men to suffer from iron overload? The answer is B. 10 times. Which has the greatest effect on the color of a young eagle's eyes? The answer is A. Parents. Which leader established the People's Republic of China in 1949? The answer is B. Mao Zedong. What can you make with the stove? The answer is C. Egg noodles. Many scientists are convinced that an increase of certain gases in the atmosphere is affecting global temperatures. What makes this hypothesis difficult to prove? The answer is C. Many variables affect global temperatures. Who did the Black Panther Party draft as Field Marshal of the East Coast in June of 1967? The answer is D. Stokely Carmichael. What is Jerry Helper's occupation on the sitcom The Dick Van Dyke Show? The answer is C. Dentist. What is the name for compounds that contain only carbon and hydrogen? The answer is B. Hydrocarbons. Which is the first programming language? The answer is A. Python. What fruit has keys? The answer is D. Coconut. Which Christmas carol tells the tale of a 10th century Duke of Bohemia? The answer is D. Good King Wenceslas. Who wrote Catch-22? The answer is A. Joseph Heller. The River Rhine and the Danube form which European waterway? The answer is A. Elbe. Which of these stop-motion features was not made with film cameras? The answer is C. Corpse Bride. Which of these are the deepest parts of the ocean? The answer is C. Ocean trenches. What can an individual do to reduce their pollution levels? The answer is D. Replace their driving to work with biking. Which philosopher famously said the only thing I know is that I know nothing? The answer is B. Socrates. What animated series featured the Three Stooges? The answer is B. The Three Robonic Stooges. In what year was The Exorcist released? The answer is B. 1973. What is the thin coat of phospholipids that surrounds the cell and controls what enters and leaves? The answer is B. Cell membrane. What is the atomic number of carbon? The answer is A. 6. Which book is also known as 1984? The answer is D. Catch-22. What was the name of the family featured on The Cosby Show? The answer is A. Huxtable. Who plays Tony Stark Iron Man in the Marvel Cinematic Universe? The answer is B. Robert Downey Jr. Fungi are unique in having cell walls made of what? The answer is D. Chitin. What does the digit in the hundredths place represent in a decimal number? The answer is C. Hundredths. Which likely is digested by the body? The answer is C. Twinkies. The Blue Nile and the White Nile are tributaries of which river? The answer is C. Nile. Which artist is known for his series The Scream? The answer is A. Edvard Munch. What is the name of the DNA sequence that codes for a specific protein? The answer is A. Gene. Which of these Indian languages falls into the Dravidian language family? The answer is B. Tamil. Who is known as the King of Cricket? The answer is B. Sachin Tendulkar. Which one of these characters appeared on a billboard in Papa's Got a Brand New Badge, an episode of The Simpsons? The answer is C. Suk Chulmer. Which object is used for measuring distances? The answer is A. Clock. What novelties can also arise when structures that originally played one role gradually acquire a different one? The answer is C. Evolutionary. What is the deepest tropical cyclone ever recorded? The answer is D. Typhoon Yuri. What is the name of Sherlock Holmes' assistant? The answer is A. Dr. Watson. Which type of cell can carry out more functions, eukaryotic cells or prokaryotic cells? The answer is C. Eukaryotic cells. Mobster Tommy DeSimone attempted to rape Henry Hill's wife, Karen Hill, while Henry Hill was in prison. Who was Karen having an affair with at the time? The answer is B. Paul Vario. Aaron Spelling created Beverly Hills 90210 and cast daughter Tori as Donna Martin. He later created a role for son Randy Spelling. Which character was Randy's character related to? The answer is C. Steve. What did Jeannie call Major Anthony Nelson on the popular sitcom I Dream of Jeannie? The answer is D. Master. In phonetics, the B in boat is an example of what kind of sound?